Tech and clips.
Yeah.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So Gabriel Henrique dropped this one, Human Nature, originated by Michael Jackson. You know, we are all familiar with this song. Happens to be one of my favorite songs from Michael Jackson. So I mean, when this dropped, I was like, I have to check this one out. Yeah, so Human Nature, Gabriel Henrique, Michael Jackson. Let's take a listen, guys. Yeah. Okay. Let's go.
Looking out across the night time,
Okay.
the city wind can sleep inside. Hear her voice shake my window.
Yeah.
Sweet seducing sound. Get my heart
Wow.
into the night time.
Okay.
What was on hold me tonight? If this town
Yeah.
is just an eyeball, then let me take a bite. If they say right, telling that it's human nature, right?
Guys, I love the
right,
harmonies.
does he do me that way?
Yeah.
If they say right, telling that it's human nature, right?
Yeah.
Right, does he do me that way? Reaching out,
Yeah.
touch a stranger. Electric eyes are everywhere.
Let's go.
See that girl, she
Yeah.
knows our words. She likes the way I stare.
Wow.
If they say right, telling that it's human nature, right, does he do me that way? If they say right, telling that it's human nature, right, does he do me that way? I like it living this way, I like it loving this way. That way. If they say right, telling that it's human nature,
Yeah.
right, does he do me that way? If they say right, ooh,
Okay, I was expecting that.
right, does he do me that way? If they say right, telling that it's human nature, right, does he
Yeah.
do me that way? If they say right, telling that it's human nature, right, does he do me that way? Right, telling that it's human nature, right, does he do me that way? Right,
Yeah.
ooh,
Okay.
right, I like it living this
Yeah.
way, I like it loving this way.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So that was Gabriel Henrique performing Michael Jackson's Human Nature. Man, this performance really pulled me in. I mean, from the start, you know, the atmosphere, I have to say, it felt smooth. It felt emotional and almost calming right away. Gabriel Henrique, I have to say, has this way of making a cover, feel personal. Instead of just trying to, imitate the original artist. You can definitely tell, he genuinely connects, with the song emotionally. and his voice, sounded soft and controlled, during the quieter parts. But then, I mean, he would suddenly open up, with these powerful moments, that hit hard. I have to say that what stood out to me most was how effortless everything felt. Nothing, sounded, forced or overly dramatic. I love the fact that he let the emotions, do most of the work, and that honestly made the performance even stronger. The song already has, that nostalgic late night, sort of vibe, and I feel like Gabriel really leaned into that, feeling perfectly. It almost felt like, the kind of performance, you just sit back and get lost in. I also like, how clean and atmospheric the production sounded. The music never overpowered the vocals, which helped the emotions come through naturally. Some covers try too hard to outdo the original, but I feel like this felt more like a tribute with its own personality. That is what made it enjoyable to listen to. He respected the soul of Michael Jackson's version, whilst adding his own vocal flavor to it. And honestly, the replay value to me on this one, is somewhere, up there. I mean, it's definitely the type of performance I feel like you throw on, with headphones and just vibe out too. The vocals were emotional without feeling overdone, and the overall energy stayed consistent the whole way through. There was never a moment where I lost interest. Every section flowed naturally into the next, and I feel like by the end of the song, it felt almost the same emotional feeling the original gives you, which is not easy to actually do. I mean, Gabriel Henrique really delivered something beautiful here, in my opinion. I mean, smooth vocals, strong emotions, the great atmosphere, and a performance that feels genuine from start to finish. Definitely one of those covers that stays in your head after it's over. I loved it. Yeah, really loved it. Let me know your thoughts. Do you think he nailed it? Please share your thoughts about this performance down in the comment section. If you tune in, if you enjoyed this one, make sure to like this video, comment, share all the good stuff. Name is Philip, and on to the next music I can take care. Stay safe. Peace out.